Suffering did not arrive to destroy you. It arrived to expose you. Most people run from pain, distract themselves, or beg for comfort. But the Stoics understood something most never will. Suffering is not a curse. It is a mirror. It shows you exactly where you are weak, attached, undisciplined, or living a lie. The moment life stripped comfort from you was the moment it offered you truth. And truth, though brutal, is the foundation of rebuilding. If this message already feels uncomfortable, stay with it. Discomfort is the doorway. And if you want more content that strengthens your mind like this, subscribe to the channel. This is where we rebuild, not escape. Suffering removes the masks you wear for the world. When life is easy, ego grows loud. You pretend you are stronger than you are. Pain silences that illusion. It humbles you. The Stoics believed humility was power because it allows correction. You cannot rebuild a structure until you admit it is broken. Suffering forces that admission. Do not ask why this happened to you. That question weakens you. Ask how this can shape you. Marcus Aurelius wrote that what stands in the way becomes the way. Your pain is not blocking your growth. It is directing it. When you suffer, your mind either collapses or sharpens. The difference is discipline. Every painful emotion you feel is energy. Most people waste it on anger, self-pity, or regret. The Stoic channels it into self-command. Instead of reacting, you observe. Instead of complaining, you train endurance. Instead of wishing things were different, you master what is within your control. Suffering teaches restraint. When everything is taken from you, you learn what truly matters. External validation fades. Noise becomes unbearable. You start craving silence, order, and clarity. This is where rebuilding begins. Not externally, but internally. If this perspective is shifting how you see your pain, pause and subscribe. You are not meant to consume this once. You are meant to live it daily. The Stoic does not romanticize suffering, but neither does he fear it. Pain is temporary. Character is permanent. Every hardship is an opportunity to forge traits that comfort never could. Patience, self-reliance, emotional control, mental clarity. These are not learned in pleasure. They are carved in pressure. You rebuild yourself by choosing principles over emotions. When you feel weak, you still act with discipline. When you feel angry, you choose restraint. When you feel lost, you return to reason. This repetition reshapes you, slowly, quietly, powerfully. Suffering also reveals false attachments. You learn how dependent you were on approval, routines, people, outcomes. When those collapse, you discover what remains. That remaining core is who you truly are. Strengthen it. Everything else is negotiable. Do not rush your healing. Stoicism teaches patience with the process. Just as muscles grow through resistance, your mind grows through sustained hardship. Endure without bitterness. Accept without surrendering your standards. This balance is Stoic mastery. Rebuilding yourself means letting the old version die. The one who avoided pain. The one who needed validation. The one who expected life to be fair. That version cannot survive reality. And that is a good thing. If you want more teachings that strip weakness and build inner authority, Subscribe now. This channel exists for those who choose growth over comfort. In time, you will notice something strange. The same suffering that once broke you no longer controls you. You respond instead of react. You stand calm while others panic. You move forward while others freeze. That is not luck. That is the result of conscious rebuilding. The Stoic path is not easy, but it is freeing. You stop demanding life to change and instead change yourself. When suffering returns, and it will, you meet it prepared. Not with fear, but with readiness. Remember this: fire does not destroy steel. It forges it, and you are being forged. Stay disciplined. Stay rational. Stay strong.